You can't stop the rain. You can't stop the rain. YouTube fam, you can't stop the rain. What's good with y'all, man? Look, tell me where I got that little clip from, man. If y'all tune in to the series, the episodes of whatever it is that I just mentioned, I need for y'all to comment down below. Hopefully they're coming back out with another season of it, because hey, your boy was tuned into it. But y'all let me know where that came from, man. But other than that, man, hopefully y'all are having a good day. Your boy Jay does have a unboxing for y'all today of a shoe that I did have in the past. I got rid of it and I had seller's remorse, man. So I had to go over to GOAT. GOAT does have a used section, man. So your boy went over to the used shoe section. Ain't no shame in my game. I went to the used shoe section and I did cop this pair. Hopefully it does look up to par, man. If you guys are shopping on GOAT and y'all are interested into any of the used shoes on their platform, you guys need to check out my video that I will have linked in the description, as well as it'll be like a little box of it that you can click on at the end of this video. Trust me, that will be your ultimate used shoe buying guide from GOAT. I use it every time I'm buying used shoes and it never does me wrong. There's a crucial thing that you have to do before you do hit that submit payment button on GOAT, but all the info will be in that video, so make sure y'all check that out, man. You do not want to miss out on that. But besides that, we gotta dive right into this video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if this is your first time stopping through. Make sure you drop a like on the video for you can't stop the, let me stop. But hey, man, look, we about to dive into it, so let's check out the kicks that your boy had to go back and pick up, man. Let's get to it. Whoo, my boy. You can't stop. Hey, how many times I'm finna say that throughout this video? I got on that purple, so I gotta, you know, I gotta get out my purple rain vibes. But anyways, man, I do have a package right here. Hopefully everything looks good, man. This shoe has been in my possession for like, bruh, like a week now, you know what I'm saying? But I just be having so much going on that I be having to put out before I put out certain videos, and I finally had the time to get to this. And here we go, man. We're gonna check this shoe out and hopefully everything is up to par. I do have something to kind of help me out whenever I'm getting shoes such as this, to kind of help me with my verification if everything is A1. We will get to that in a second too, man, so stay tuned. We do have some paper that we don't need. Cool. Shoebox. Yeah, look, man, look. We ain't even gonna hide it, bro. Look, man. What shoe y'all think it is, bro? It's a million and one it could be. If y'all watch my collection videos, y'all know what I have and what I don't have. Y'all see the outfit, bro. Let me know down below in the comment section what shoe is in this box based off my outfit, man. A lot of y'all gonna hit it, man. It ain't that hard. It ain't that hard, man. But let me check out this box real quick. Like I said, it was a shoe that I had and I got rid of. I actually got a video of this when I unboxed it when I first got it, from like way back when I started YouTube. But man, bruh, I don't like this, bruh. I hate when I get these types of pairs. I hate it, bruh. Like no, you know what I'm saying, hate towards this country, or you know, like it's nothing like that. It's just, I don't know, man. It's something, I don't know, bro. But like I said, I'm gonna check these out to make sure everything is A1. But Jumpman on the lid, Flight on the bottom, as you can see. Air Jordan 4 Retro NRG, size 9, man. So size 9 right there. When you pop off the box lid, you get your black paper, and let's see if this shoe is looking like what it looked like in those pictures, man. I did go back and get the Air Jordan 4 Raptors. Bang! Yes, sir, man. I had to go back and get the Air Jordan 4 Raptors. This is a shoe, man. Shout out to the homie Mike Rich, bro. Mike Rich brought these out recently. I think he wore them on his Instagram. He might have worn them in a video too, on a YouTube video. But I saw him on his feet and I was like, that's one Jordan 4 that I need to go back and get, man. I kind of regret selling these. However, mine is a little bit different from his pair. If I was paying attention, I would have actually got his pair, because I do like the pair that he had a little bit better, due to the fact that it does have a different style tongue. Pause. But I do got all my GOAT stuff in here, man. So yeah, here go the shoes. I'm gonna show these shoes to y'all real quick, and before we even go any further, y'all, I'm definitely gonna have to check these out, man. But bang, here we go, y'all. We do got the Air Jordan 4 NRG Raptor joints, the Drake signature, as y'all can see right there on the tongue, man. But here they go right here. Your boy had to go back in the vault, GOAT used section. I did pick up this pair, man. As you can see, he got them laced up pretty good. Take a look at the outsoles, man. My man's barely wore this shoe, bro. He probably wore them once or twice, man. Like, very near dead stock, like good as new almost, man. And I got a good price for these, man. But before I go even deeper into this, man, we're gonna talk about this some more. But I do want to check them out, you know what I'm saying, and show y'all the way that I use whenever I am getting used or even new shoes that I have any questions about. And yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can kind of get a third or second eye to look over your shoe to make sure that they legit, man. So check this out real quick. So y'all know I just picked up a pair of shoes from the GOAT app. Showed it to y'all already. Everything looks good, but not as good as my standards, man. When I say that, I mean I have to check every pair of shoes that I get. I do have a second set of eyes, and that second set of eyes that I always use is from the Check app. The Check app is an app that you can get on Android and iOS systems, y'all. I do not get any shoes without checking them, so we gonna run them through the app. I'm gonna show y'all the simple process and the simple way of how you can do so also, and you know, we're gonna see if these shoes are good or not, man. So let's run it through the app, shall we? Okay, y'all, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is go to your app store, whether on iOS or Android. In my case, we are on iOS, so I'm gonna go to search. I do have it already here, but you're just gonna go to your search, put in your check, and then you will get this right here pop up. You will click on it. Of course, it will tell you to install, but since we already have it installed, we're gonna go ahead and open it. When the app opens up, it's going to ask you if you would like notifications. I always like notifications coming from the app to know about updates and new things coming. And if you are new to the app, you're gonna sign up, which is right there on the bottom. If you already have an account, you just simply sign in. So we're gonna go through the whole new process. I'm gonna sign up, act like I just have a new account, and then we'll go from there. So now that your boy is all signed in, as you can see, this how the interface looks when you first get onto the app. It tells you, look, over 1 million checked shoes. So hey, they go crazy with it. They have been checking for a while now. So this is basically your home screen. In order to check a shoe, which what we're gonna do, you want to go to start new check. We're checking a Jordan, so we're gonna go to Jordan, then we're going to Jordan 4 right there. And once you get to that, it's going to tell you how they want to do the guidelines. So we need specific images to verify your kicks. See our examples before submitting a check request. So basically it shows you examples of the pictures that you need in order to complete a successful check. So we're going to have to give them pictures of all these. So hey, let's get to snapping, y'all. So since we have taken all our pictures, the next step now is to go to next, which will upload the pictures. And then as you can see, or may not see, it does give you options of how fast you want to have your results done in. You can go 2 hours, 30 minutes, or even 15-minute check. And of course, you're gonna have to pay for it. If you have a balance, it will show right there, and if you don't have a balance, it will show right there. So basically the choice is yours. We're gonna go for 15 minutes, so we're gonna top it up. We're gonna add some money on our account so that we can get that 15-minute check, y'all. So let's do that, and then let's wait. So now that I have just added credits, you can see right over there I do have a balance of 6 credits. It only takes 5 credits to go for 15 minutes. So let's do a 15-minute check and let's see what we got. So y'all, in less than 15 minutes, the results are in. What y'all think, man? GOAT, y'all got some explaining to do as to why this shoe came out as a pass. Yes, everything is A1 with it, man. So shout out to Check app as always for being my second set of eyes, man. They always come through clutch. They are very, very accurate when it comes to the legit checks, man. So if y'all are questioning any of y'all shoes, man, make sure you check out the app, download it, follow those quick steps that I showed y'all throughout this quick video, and hey, hopefully you get that green pass just like your boy did. And I wish I would have had a shoe that wouldn't pass to kind of give y'all an example to show y'all how accurate it is, but take my word for it, y'all. It's very accurate. Use check today. If I do have a promo code, I will link it down below in the description. But yeah, other than that, make sure that your shoes are A1. Y'all know where to do it. Let's get back to the video. Yes, sir. I feel a little bit better, man. So bang, here they go, man. The Raptor 4s once again, man. Now that I have checked them out, everything is A1 from over on that app, man. Y'all check it out, download it, and it will give you a second set of eyes whenever you're doing things such as getting used shoes or new shoes that you question if you don't buy them from a retail store. You can, you know what I'm saying, run it through the app and it'll give you some good results or bad results if your shoe ain't A1, and you know, you'll have just a second set of eyes to look over your shoes, man. But here they go, y'all. If y'all remember these released back in, when was the year, bro? When was the year? I have no clue, bro. I don't even know. I don't even know when these released, but it was a few years back. I want to say around 2018, maybe 2018, maybe 2019. You know what I'm saying? These released, and of course, this was the second pair. The first pair that did release did have an all blacked out tongue. These, I want to say these released on a Sunday. It definitely was a Sunday because I remember it clear. I got like a just dropped notification from the sneakers app, and I was able to secure a pair. However, I sold them, man. Like, real quick, man. Look at the clip from back when your boy did get his pair, man. Like, just look at how times have changed. Boys. And make sure to you guys. Bam. Or maybe I should get the pair without the hang tag so you guys can see that a little bit better. Y'all hang tight. Let me get that out. Bruh. Yeah, look, I ain't want to show y'all too much of that video. If y'all want to watch it, that video is still on YouTube, so y'all can check that out, man. But things have changed, bro. Like the whole scenery, the camera quality, man. Like, hey, God is good, bro. God is good, and I told y'all back then I'm gonna try to up my quality. I'm gonna try to up my game on YouTube, and you know, hey, I set a goal, and I'm here with y'all now, man. We 127K strong, man. Big shout out to y'all, man. I truly appreciate y'all, man. But here is a look one more time, man. Tell me what y'all think about my cop, man. Was I right for going back and grabbing them, man? You know what I'm saying? Really, I can't even ask that question because I buy what I like, so it doesn't really matter the opinion of what everybody else thinks. Just like y'all, whenever y'all are buying stuff, man, don't think about what everybody else is gonna think. Just buy what you like and go about it like that. My question should be, do you like the Jordan 4 Raptors, man? Is it a shoe that you like? You know what I'm saying? So I had to go back and grab them. It does have that infamous ashy leather on it, but they actually look real good on feet, man. And shout out to the seller, whoever got rid of their pair. They didn't probably rock them too much. It is a shoe that you can only get not that many wears out of because of the color blocking, you know what I'm saying? Unless you know how to put stuff together and bring them out, you know, you might not be able to rock this shoe as much as you would want to, but I think it's a fire shoe. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts. Like I said, do y'all like the Jordan 4 Raptors? Here they go. Yeah, I think it's a clean shoe, man. I would definitely like to have me a nice dope pair of Just Dine Raptor shorts to go with them. Man, take a look at my roof, bruh. Take a look at that back tab, man. What's going on with the back tab, man? It must was leaned up against something, man. But anyways, man, here they go, y'all. Last look at them. Like I did say, got these, had to have them back. Let me know if there is a shoe in y'all collection that y'all got rid of that y'all just are like, man, I gotta go back and grab that shoe. You know what I'm saying? Let me know down below in the comment section. I'm curious to know what it was, and it's probably a couple more shoes out there that I need to go back and get. But I'm gonna just chill for now, you know what I'm saying? And speaking of shoes, I might be having a shoe sale soon, man, because bruh, my shoe collection is getting out of control, bro, and I cannot wear all these shoes, man. So look forward to your boy on JTSG Closet having a shoe sale. Of course, I'll bring y'all a video on YouTube before I do put it on the closet, but the closet will get first dibs, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, if you ain't following JTSG Closet over on Instagram, you're late, you sleep, you might miss out on some good deals. So go ahead, head over to that page. It is a private page. You do have to request to get in, and you do have to have a real account because I personally go through every account myself. But other than that, man, look. Got these joints back in the collection. Another shoe added. Hey, what more can I say, man? But you can't stop the rain. Your boy Jay gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. I appreciate y'all as always. Peace.